Kodak Alaris is helping organizations and government agencies comply with new federal requirements for digital record submission and storage. The National Archives and Records Administration issued Mandate M1921, which requires all records submitted to the National Archives for permanent storage to be digital and to conform to the 3-star quality guidelines set forth in the Federal Agency's Digitization Initiative, commonly referred to as FADGI. After December 31, 2022, the National Archives will no longer accept paper documents for permanent archive. Any organization or government agency that needs to submit permanent records to the National Archive and Records Administration will need to prepare their systems and processes to become compliant with this federal mandate. To simplify all this for you, Kodak Alaris offers 2 scanner bundles that take the guesswork out of FADGI compliance. Kodak Alaris makes it easy for you to get compliant and stay compliant. The Kodak i5250 and Kodak i5850 are now available in FADGI-compliant configurations that are ready to go out of the box, so you can be assured that all your digital submissions will comply with these new requirements. Continuing our dedication to superior image quality and performance, our new FADGI 3-star compliant scanners undergo a rigorous characterization process during manufacturing to ensure consistent image quality under various environmental conditions, and you can easily switch between FADGI and non-FADGI mode. These FADGI solutions include enhanced warranty and maintenance service to ensure compliance throughout the life of the product, plus professional installation and Aquist software that makes it easy to produce FADGI-compliant files. To learn more about our FADGI-compliant scanning solutions, visit alarisworld.com/go/FADGI.